Welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade, and in today's video we are going to learn about how to orient text in this manner. So what you will be thinking is that we'll select the text and we will set it in an angle, but I'll show you a very simple way to do that, which is first we'll do which is text. We'll write something, let's say like, share, subscribe, and now as we know we have not set the scale of the text, so it will always come in in real so you have to set it in your files before you start. So what to do to orient this text in this manner? What you are thinking is that we'll was do arrow and we'll rotate and we'll do, but no, that is a hard work, that is a hard work job, and I'll teach you a very simpler way, and a very perfect way to do is you have to write the command t orient. Read this command. The command is t orient, then select that command. Then first you have to do is select the text, then enter, then select the new line that you want to align that text with, and the text will align with that line perfectly parallel to each other. So this is a perfect and the best way to orient any text in AutoCAD. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. And these are from the old videos. If you have not seen it, then go and check it out. And that's it for the video. Thank you, and share it with someone who may need it. Thank you.